Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get Discord on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find some games in the application. Right here, if you go to the game library, you're gonna find a list that includes all of your games and applications. Here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find games, media. Here, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, in order to get Discord on your PlayStation 5, firstly go ahead and click on the PS button on your controller, and then once you're here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're gonna find some options like home, switcher, notifications, game base, music, and so on. Go ahead and click on game base, and then once you do that, right here you're gonna find friends, parties. Here you're gonna find messages, and lastly right here you're gonna find Discord. So basically guys, you're gonna find Discord right here already installed. The only thing that you need to do is link your Discord account to your PlayStation account. In order to do that, go ahead and click on link account, and then this will take you right here to this page. Go ahead and click on link, and then just wait for this page to load. After that, just go ahead and enter this code or scan this QR code, and then you're gonna be able to link your PlayStation account to Discord. And after that, you're gonna be able to use Discord on your PlayStation 5. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.